everyone, it's Emily Fox. Today's video is going to be in my Sephora VIB Sale Haul. Although I think they changed the name, but I can't remember what it is, but y'all know what I'm talking about, right? The sale that happens just before the holidays. I'm excited. I picked up a few good things. I felt like I didn't need that many things, but then, now that I'm looking at my bag, I'm like, maybe I did get quite a few things. So if you're interested in seeing, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. Let's do this. I was so excited to see that Glow recipe was available at Sephora because your girl doesn't want to spend money on shipping. So I needed to pick up their cleanser. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's supposed to be a makeup remover, a cleanser, but at the same time it exfoliates your skin. If I look at the ingredient, there's like glycolic acid and lactic acid. So let me know how you feel about it if you have tried it, because I don't really feel like this should be around my eyes. It might remove my face makeup properly, and I was thinking about using it also in the morning, so the exfoliating property might be better without having to remove my makeup, you know what I mean? So let me know your experience. But these recently repackaged it, and instead of being like a blue bottle, it now looks like this. And I just like, you know, when brands have like an aesthetic that just calls you, yeah, this is me. Actually, let me know if you've tried anything else from them, because they have a sheet mask and they have a sleeping pack and like I think it's a moisturizer. I've been eyeing them, and now that they're available at Sephora, the temptation is just, it's there. So I decided to try one thing and see how it goes. But yes, that bottle is just absolutely stunning. So I will definitely keep you updated on it. But again, if you've tried it, please let me know how it went. I'm kind of curious what it smells like, because it says blueberry, but I don't think it smells like blueberry. It probably smells more like, oh, I take it back. It kind of smells fruity. Okay, I'll have to see how it smells like when it's actually on my face, but I'm liking this. By the way, everything that I mentioned will be linked down below, including what I'm wearing, because I'm sure I'm going to get questioned, including what's on my lips. I was dying to try some Charlotte Tilbury products. Again, let me know your favorite things, but I had to pick up some stuff because I just really wanted to own these, especially the lipstick. They are stunning. This one is the color Bitch Perfect, and it's just a gorgeous nude. That's actually what I'm wearing right now. I feel like it might be a bit too warm for the eye makeup, but we're just rolling with it because it's so stunning. And just look how gorgeous that is. This is definitely like my perfect peachy nude color. Can't recommend these enough. They are beautiful. But yes, I also wanted to try another product by her for like the longest time. Can you guess? A blush. And I mean, you're gonna be shocked when you see the color, because I never go for those colors, like, ever. I obviously went for the boring nude color. This is the Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop Blusher in Ecstasy, which, yeah, it's the nude color. This just looks so beautiful, and I feel like every time I get an expensive like product powder, I just don't want to touch it. But obviously I will, because I need to start using it already. Let me swatch like both separately and then together. Okay, the swatches weren't super successful. I tried to like swatch them separately. Just look at the together. It looks like a very nice light peachy blush, which, I mean, let's be real, it matches really well with the lipstick too, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. But I really wanted to experiment with the formula. It's very finely milled. It's matte, and it's just definitely something I can see myself reaching for a lot. And also the packaging is to die for. I had been wanting to try some of her products for the longest time, and again, finally at Sephora, so I needed to grab some. I've also been eyeing at her eyeshadow palettes, the foundation, what else was there? Like the eyeliner. So let me know your favorite ones, because again, before Christmas I may need to make more purchases. Right now at Sephora they have so many amazing gift sets, and unfortunately I didn't realize that I could only make my purchases with the coupon code during the one weekend that like Rouge could do it. I don't know why they did that, but at the end of the story, I wanted to still include some recommendation of products that I did get the one product, and then I didn't realize I wasn't going to be able to get the kit. So we'll see how that goes. But I wanted to mention the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I did repurchase this because I hadn't seen the kit until after, obviously. And for $1 more than the moisturizer, you get a kit where there's a cleanser and then their exfoliating pads. So if you're looking to test out some of the products, I highly recommend this. This is my 7th bottle of this moisturizer. I have been like wearing this nonstop. I used to wear this when my skin was dry. I was wearing it when my skin was super early when I stopped hormonal birth control. And now I'm like more combination, and I still absolutely love this. It's just like my most used moisturizer of all time. And I can't get enough of it. I just need all of it. Like if I could have a lifetime supply of a moisturizer, it would be this. I wanted to also give a huge shout out to the Dr. Jart gift set. I'll include a picture of it so you can see it. But oh my god, if you are someone that has dry skin, you need this gift set in your life. You just do. But I adore this mask, and I did get this one during the sale because, long story short, I'm preparing like the stockings for people, and I miscalculated the amount that I needed. I did buy online a different place. I'll link it down below. They sell like the kit of 5, a box of 5, whatever, and I miscalculated. I needed one more, so I grabbed it at Sephora. And yeah, again, this, I'm gonna be doing like a best of skincare of 2018, and this is in there. Like definitely a favorite sheet mask, like so good. And again, I have combination skin, and this is more targeted towards dry skin, but I still love this. So if you have any dehydration and you're currently going into winter, definitely recommend their products in general, but definitely that mask. Like here, it's been snowing for 2 days, and I'm dying inside a little bit, but this will just cheer me up, you know? During the sale, it's also the best time to test out new products you've been eyeing, and I've been eyeing a few hair products, which I love how Sephora is including more and more at like tiny sizes, travel sizes, tiny sizes. They should call them that because they're definitely tiny sizes. But actually last year I did a video about my favorite travel sizes. I'll try to link that down below. If I don't, remind me. But I noticed that this brand of hair products had 2 of those minis, and those are like hair masks, and my hair is getting like ridiculously long, and during the winter it definitely gets more staticky and just dry at the ends. So I wanted to test out these 2, plus let's be real, the packaging is so appealing. I just want them in my shower. Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and then there's the Kure Intense Repair Mask. How adorable are these? I will definitely be keeping you updated on these. I'm hoping they're gonna work because I just finished, it was like a travel size / like gift with purchase type of thing of Living Proof, and I was so disappointed with that mask, the purple one. It did nothing for my hair, so I'm hoping that these will work better for me. Ooh, actually, I got a full-size product from them too. This is the Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. Gotta be honest, I'm that type of person that will wash my hair and then I just sleep on it. I never blow dry my hair because I am super lazy about it. My hair is like kind of wavy, and like if I try to brush it or blow dry it, I feel like I just end up looking like a lion. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. You know what I mean? And my hair isn't even that curly anymore, but like the waves are just enough to make a mess. So I was trying to motivate myself into like trying to do it more. So I thought maybe this would help because it looks so fun, and and it smells so good. I'm trying to pinpoint what it smells like, but it's kind of fruity and like not overly sugary, but just a little bit. So maybe this will motivate myself into doing it more because it makes my life so much easier. My hair is less frizzy when I do it, but it takes so much time. I'm planning a few different videos. So I picked up a few things that will be in those videos, so like a little bit of a spoiler alert here. The first thing is a mascara that you recommended me to get. And by the way, let me know your favorite mascaras, whether at Sephora or drugstore. I did do a video about my favorite drugstore, which I did ask you for a recommendation, but basically I'm planning on doing a video reviewing your favorite mascaras and how they perform on myself, yeah. And just showing you close-up of my lashes and everything. I know you enjoyed those videos, and this has to be like the #1 that you were recommending me from Sephora, so obviously I picked it up. This is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and I haven't tried it yet, obviously. I had to like refrain myself. Actually, the thing is not even open. Let me rip this. My god, they really don't want you to try it. I just painted my nail to try and fix them, and now they're going to be completely destroyed. I was laughing so hard the other day. There's always someone in the comment section that will call you out if you didn't like repaint your nails just in time for the video type of thing. And like literally someone today was like, this is why you're never going to be successful on YouTube, because your nail is chipped. I had like one nail, just a little chip, and I was like, really? So I tried to fix it, and now... I'm sorry, I disappointed all of you. Ooh, okay, I didn't even seen the brush. This is what it looks like. It looks like a fluffy, natural bristle brush. You all raved about this, so I will be putting this to the test, and this is heavy, like, wow. I'm excited, actually. Okay. I have a few lip product and then one more skincare product. Actually, let's start with the skincare product. This is a mini size of the Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I'm obsessed with their pink, like, makeup remover cleanser. Love that one. It smells like raspberries and it's just like the best thing ever. And I have been dying to try more of the products, including this one. It's a moisturizer that's supposed to also kind of exfoliate your skin, and the size of it, it's adorable. This is the size of their eye cream, actually. So I will be putting this one to the test. I had seen like amazing reviews on Sephora, but basically it's supposed to like really transform the texture of your skin, which at this point my skin right now is doing so well, which but I do get a little bit of texture sometimes, especially right now with like the change of weather, so I'm hoping that this will become a new holy grail. Now some lip product. I feel like Buxom is like the most underrated brand at Sephora, like ever. Like let me know actually your most underrated brand that you actually like from Sephora, but their lip products and their products in general are amazing. I've been raving up their blushes, their eyeshadows, and then more lip products from them. Those are the Pillow Pout Creamy Plumping Lip Powder. And I have been testing them already because they are so cool. They're like a powder lipstick, but they're kind of minty too. And I don't know, I've been like so obsessed with them. They're so weird, but like in a good way. So the first one is the color Cuddle Me, which again, a darker nude. You're gonna notice the pattern because at this time of the year, I'm still into nudes, but like darker obviously for the fall. And then this one is more nude, less mauvey, and it is the color Cozy Up. It's right there. Yeah, clearly I do not have a type. But these are so comfortable. They last a decent amount of time. They're not drying, and it's just so weird, like a powder-ish lipstick. If you're looking for a new fun lipstick for the fall, definitely recommend these. They're so fun. And then last but not least, I have a Makeup Forever lip liner. My battery's dying and I'm trying to rush. I'm really sorry. But this is the High Precision Lip Pencil in the color number 11. I can't count. It's the stress. I can't count under pressure. I'm going to try to open these because I feel like brands sometimes they like package their stuff so secure that you can't even open them once you're at home. I still appreciate it because really I hate when people put their finger in everything, especially at the drugstore, but basically when products are like childproof, I can open them. So this is the color, obviously another nude, but I have been really trying to find great nude lip liners, and Makeup Forever makes like really incredibly waterproof, long wearing everything. And this just seemed like the perfect color for me. I feel like I struggled to find a nude that isn't overly dark, overly brown, or overly orange, and this just looked like the perfect nude for me. As you can see, it's amazing. Like it just perfect. Like if I wore that right now with this lipstick, it would make it match my eye makeup a little bit better. Just saying. Actually, I will list everything down below, but if you were wondering what I'm wearing, it's a mix of some of the eyeshadows in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm basically wearing one Frisco in my crease, and then I put some Venetian red and a little bit of red ochre on my sides and like the bottom and everything. And then the pop of color is from Jart. It's one of their glitter one. What is it? Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in the color Into the Blue, and I've been just obsessed with these. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you got at this Sephora sale or what you're planning on getting during the ones you have access to a coupon code. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe because you definitely don't want to miss any future videos, and I will be putting on the screen as I'm dropping everything from the table other videos that I've done that I recommend you check out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.